Brian, I know you share with me that you started out, you owned an engine shop.
Mm-hmm.
Got tons and tons of experience with engines, but here we are today, and EVs are the big deal. And you guys handle those as well. You jumped right into EV.
Yeah.
So let's talk maintenance and servicing for EVs. What do you guys offer? What can you do? What are your capabilities at Weber Automotive?
Okay, great question. They don't need a lot of maintenance compared to combustion engine vehicles. There really is no oil. Cooling system does need a little bit of maintenance, but it's pretty much tire rotations and cabin filters.
Wow, that's nice.
There's not
that's
much.
Really nice.
As far as maintenance goes. And then there's service when it comes up. A module quits working, or maybe there's a software update.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of the software updates are handled over the air. So the manufacturer of the vehicle is updating the software.
That happens automatically, right?
Automatically.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't even know what's happening.
Typically, that's when when you're sleeping, the vehicle's parked.
Yeah.
That's happening. But when that can't happen, yeah, we can do those updates.
Okay.
And we are training on EVs constantly because there's more of that coming. Rivian, the manufacturer rep, was out to see us a few months ago. And to look at our facility to see, and they're going to recommend their regular drivers.
That's
the pickup trucks, the smaller stuff.
So it's kind of great. It's almost like a certification in a way that you
Yes.
guys can do the work, and that's
right.
Nice to have that.
And we're about to go train on Teslas to get certified for Teslas. We already do the alignment and tire work and so forth on the Teslas, but we're going to get certified to do everything on Teslas.
That's going to be
we
neat.
should have that within the next couple of months.
Sounds pretty exciting.
It's very exciting.
You're always learning something new in this business, aren't you?
We're trying to stay ahead of our competition, and and we like to have smart people and be able to do stuff that other people can't or don't. So it's good, and give consumers another choice than only going to the dealership.
Yeah, and that's a great thing, because dealerships, they kind of cost a little bit of money.
And sometimes you don't get treated very well.
Yeah. Oh, and a little thing here. You watch some of these videos, because there's something that happens when you go to Weber Automotive for, say, a fluid change.
Oh yeah.
That you're going to get that you won't even get from an OEM. So I'm just that's going to be my little teaser. You go watch some of the videos that we've done here today. You'll learn a lot more about Brian and his crew and what they can do, and you're going to feel really comfortable having them look after your EV. So thanks so much, Brian.
Thanks, Randy.